Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get or choose one of mystery signing player in FC Mobile, Gvardiol or Thales Magno. So all you have to do right now is open the mystery signings event, this one. So as you can see, there are two players here that we already revealed. We already uncovered. The first player is center back, play for Manchester City, Gvardiol from Croatia. Here he got long passer and power header traits. And then the second player is center forward or complete forward, Thales Magno from Brazil, play for New York City in MLS. The trait he's got about 5 traits. He got playmaker traits and also outside foot shot traits. Very good center forward. So please choose wisely what you need. So in this case I choose Gvardiol. Tap free button. Tap to open. And welcome Gvardiol into my club. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and support the thanks button below. See you in the next video.